everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic agreement between subject and verb from the English grammar. The children of the man who works with me dash broken the window this morning. Fill up the suitable blank. Answer: how. The men of the community dash not support the leader. Answer: do. The aims of the course dash me willing to begin. Answer: make. The weight of the apples dash. Answer: varies. Few students who dash playing football missed the class. Answer: were. Students' minds dash about the order of structures. Answer: have been confused. Neither the man nor his son dash convinced of the idea. Answer: was. He and I dash good friends, but now we dash anymore. Answer: were, aren't talking. Although every student in my class dash the schedule, one of my students always dash late to the class. Answer: knows, comes. Some of the old beautiful buildings dash. Answer: are surrounded with new high ones. I could conclude from his way of talking dash. Answer: that he was content with his life. Istanbul dash in 1453 by Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror. Answer: was conquered. The news he reported dash us all. We are all in an odd mood. Answer: has astonished. Each candidate dash fill in these forms and sign them. Answer: has to. Every student dash going to be responsible for his chapters and each student dash bring his or her homework on the exam day. Answer: is, has to. The grandchildren of the old man whom he told me about a great deal during the journey. Dash students at university now. Answer are nobody dash able to escape from the final conclusion death. Answer is the police dash to have been called by the thieves themselves to wrong address at the same time of robbery. Answer are supposed. Nobody in the classroom dash able to answer the question about subject verb agreement yesterday. Answer was. This may seem very difficult for you, but after the course, any one of our students dash able to solve such problems. So you will be able to do to. Answer are. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.